Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta, and as this installation behind me would indicate to you, I am in Hyderabad because you see these miniature Charminars here. And Hyderabad is a city famous for many things, but besides all other things, it's also famous for its very successful NRIs, starting with Satya Nadella. And my guest today was somebody who was in competition with Satya Nadella for an NRI of the Year award, and Jyoti Reddy, NRI of the Year for Sakshi Newspaper Group's awards.
Yeah, excellent.
I had the privilege of giving you the award.
Sir, it is my fortunate, sir, and thanks to Sakshi and thanks to you that
No, sir,
you came all the way.
But there is somebody who started as a stone breaker at
Yes.
5 rupees a day,
Yes.
and as a forced orphan because you were not born an orphan.
Not born orphan, yes. Yeah, forced orphan.
You-
because of the poverty.
Poverty.
Because
So
of
your
the poverty.
parents basically gave you up to an orphanage.
Yes, yeah. It was a forced. But it is also fortunate that I went through pain. I came out of the family. I am the only one here, NRI doing all this. And the other family members, 4 of them is a village, and they are,
And today you have a company with a turnover of more than $15 million, and you,
Sir, it is
you make
it is a-
profits, and you come back and spend that money on orphanages.
Yes, orphanage homes and rural children. And every year I give award to 10th passed students who came from the government schools, and 10,000 rupees for each student and who got good marks. And I love to support them because I know the rural area children pain. And basically, okay. And also I have seen a lot of girls after 10th class, love to get married because of the, lacking.
And you were forced to get married at 16.
16,
Became
yes.
a mother at 17.
And 18.
Mother at
Two.
on the second time.
And fortunately, unfortunately, both are girls again. So,
Fortunately.
today I would say, loudly I
Right.
would say that it is a fortunate girl child, okay? But that time when I was going through the pain, lot of restrictions for women that she should not go out, she should not talk, she should not take a decision, she should not, not a shape to talk in
Except
front
to
of
work for 5 rupees a day in the field.
That's it. And she should not, open her mouth, for any reason. To husband, mother-in-law, father-in-law, and any other family back in, villages. And there it is called the system.
So
It is called a tradition.
So you smashed all the barriers.
Yes, I really, I was so young and I was not that great in speak, but my actions showed up that, this is not the life the woman should go with. Why? And why she has so many restrictions? Why she don't have a right to talk? Why she don't, lot of rice there at home, but I should not eat if I feel hungry. I should not touch anything in the home. What is that? After all, we are a human being, right? And that time
And an equal.
and equal. And men, and also the family tradition, rituals, bolke. I didn't like that, in India. And it is not pleasant talk that, I don't like the Indian wedding system. And today, where, the lacking, whether they are, right person live with or not, there is no respect that woman if she come out of the family. But I respect the system, but there has to be as, liberty talk.
Or equality.
At least equality should be there.
So a human being develops his or her character. मतलब इंसान का जो चरित्र है
Yeah.
वो 11 से 16 में डेवलप होता है.
कंप्लीट डेवलप होता है कैरेक्टर सो उसलिए आई वाज 11 इयर्स 11 साल का बच्ची था वो टाइम पे सो उसलिए वो पॉवर्टी इज अ बिगेस्ट पेन एंड इट वाज देयर इन माय हार्ट एंड माइंड वो चैलेंज करना है
It was a
वो
scar.
जीत करना है
जख्म था आपके ऊपर एक.
या सो जीत करना है वो पूर फैमिली है मालूम नहीं क्या करने का क्या बात करने का बट द पेन इज देयर एंड आई गॉट द मोमेंट व्हेन आई वाज देयर अ मदरलेस चाइल्ड आई गॉट चैलेंज दैट someday I have to have a big money with me this poverty I have to come out
So
of
describe your days in poverty. गरीबी के जो समय था वो उसके बारे में बताइए.
या सो गरीबी था फादर का भी 5 ब्रदर्स है उधर भी हाफ एकड़ का लैंड तो है वी आर 5 चिल्ड्रन टू पेरेंट्स एंड इट वाज वेरी टफ अ स्मॉल रूम एंड स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट वी स्लीप इन द लाइन इन द सिंगल रूम एंड माय mom, dad and the 5 children in the single room. So that was the position and I came to hostel the orphanage home and 6 years I was there in the
So was there enough food कि उसका भी खाने का भी मुश्किल था आपको?
मुश्किल था वो दिन पे स्टिल रिमेंबर समटाइम्स वी रन आउट ऑफ द चावल खाने के लिए एंड वेट करता था मेरा माम का बहन था सेम गांव पे शी यूज टू ब्रिंग अ लिटिल स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ राइस चावल के लिए वेट करता था वो 1 बजे तक वेट करता था लंच करने के लिए बावजूद after she come with the rice she used to cook and given the food before I come to the orphanage home.
So when you went to the orphanage,
age of 11,
age of 11, you thought I have to get big money someday.
because of the poverty only I was माता नहीं बोल के उस पे डालता था ना सो इसीलिए मैं बिग पेन तो है ना इसीलिए वही दिन पे 11 साल का 12 साल का मैंने सोचा था कि आई हैव टू गेट अ गुड मनी बिग मनी सो आई हैव टू run out of this poverty.
You were married off.
Yeah, I married off, and again that is a big pain that 16 years I got married, and he is also farmer, and there is not a proper food or proper accommodation or nothing else.
How much land did he have?
Just 1 acre.
He also had only 1 acre.
1 acre. 1 acre. He is also farmer, and he just studied a 10th standard, and I was a 10th standard. He was elder to me, my mom's brother's son, and he's a relative. And I have to respect a lot because he is 10 years elder to me, and then there
10
is
years
no
older. आपके cousin भी है वो.
yeah.
And और किसान भी है और 10वीं पास 10 पास क्लास 10 पास you were also class 10
Yeah,
पास.
10
दोनों
pass.
10 पास हो
10
गए.
पास हो गया और मैंने 16 साल का था. Again, one more unfortunate, I would say, 17th year my elder daughter came into my life. Okay, बड़ी वाला बच्चा आया था लाइफ में. Yeah, that early 17th year and 18th year one more girl because lacking of the sex knowledge I would say that time and no knowledge like now that time no media no knowledge and I was not with the parents. I did not know that what is life and what is family and what is kids and
You quickly had 2 children.
2 children.
और अभी तो 18 से की उम्र के तक ही आपके 2 बच्चे हो गए.
2 बच्चे हो गए. 2
You were
बच्चे
a
हो
mother
गए.
of 2 at 18.
18, yeah.
In a country where it's illegal to marry before 18.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
So that was the time, and I used to go to the paddy field where I did not have a knowledge on it. मैंने वो काम करने का नहीं मालूम, कुछ भी नहीं मालूम. एक दिन मैंने पहले दिन पे काम कर गया था ना खेत पे, so मैंने वो निकाल दिया कि मिर्ची का प्लांट वो क्लीन करने के लिए करते ना. सो मैंने निकाला वो मिर्ची का प्लांट एंड वो काम वाला आके बोलते थे कि नहीं आपने दोबारा किया ऐसा नहीं वो अदर प्लांट्स निकालना पड़ेगा
Not mirchi ka plant, yes.
Not mirchi ka
Because you were de-weeding.
yeah I did not aware of that which is
उसमें जो useless जो बेकार के
निकालना पड़ेगा ना सो
पौधे निकाल
मालूम नहीं ना
तो वो नाराज हुआ got upset with you.
Yeah, upset and they said that no वो पूरा खराब हो गया. So पहला वो सीखने के लिए बहुत तकलीफ था and it was not good weather. I was in the hostel in an orphanage home. That is not bad that going out and working, right?
At least there is shelter.
Shelter is there. And also I'm out of the proper food. The food was not good, खाने के लिए अच्छा नहीं था. But the weather and atmosphere, it was in the town, right? It was
right.
But in the gaon, it is very ugly that we have to go for bathroom outside on the road and it was really tough to manage with 2 kids and इधर भी एक ही room था again. So
everybody slept in the same room.
Same room and 2 kids, myself and my husband and cooking करने के लिए उधर and सोने के लिए उधर एक ही room था. Again it was a very big pain that
and how much were you paid as a laborer then?
5 rupees.
5 rupees.
5 rupees. 5 रुपया था. एक दिन के लिए 10 घंटे काम करने के लिए 5 रुपये.
और उस at that time also this must have been below minimum wage.
Yeah,
कभी minimum wage से कभी मिलता होगा.
Yeah, कभी मिलता होगा.
Exploitation.
Yeah. And also I used to work for my 1 acre का land and कभी काम नहीं था ना मेरा land पे, so बाहर जाने का, so उधर 5 रुपए आते ना,
so you still had your dream of becoming rich and making money के एक दिन तो अमीर होना ही है.
Yeah.
So how did you pursue that because you had very little education.
Very little education. Yeah. So but I tried for suicide 2-3 times. वो बच्चों की गिराने के लिए पानी में डाल के और जाने के लिए because lot of problems for the economically at home. And my husband तकलीफ होता है, फाइटिंग होता है हर दिन पैसे ये नहीं है वो नहीं है बच्चों को लेने के लिए हॉस्पिटल को लेने के पैसे नहीं है, दवाखाना जाना है, वो इंजेक्शन देना है, टीका देना है, ये देना वो देना. कपड़े भी अच्छे नहीं है, चप्पल भी नहीं है बच्चों के लिए, इसलिए हर दिन फाइटिंग होता है ना. वो स्मॉल
There was no
फैमिली,
footwear, there was no health care.
nothing is there.
Children fell sick, no money to go to hospital.
Yeah, but I have a knowledge that how to take care of the kids. Back in orphanage home, I
Right.
saw everything ना. So वो knowledge तो है मगर करने के कुछ नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है. So ये तकलीफ होता है, फाइटिंग होता है, हर गांव पे हर घर पे है ना उस.
Fighting होता है.
Yeah. ऐसा था, I was not happy with the life. Okay, and I have a big dream. And also I have to share the funny and great thing that मैंने देखा था एक movie. That was a big love story that सीता को कचिलका, and हमारे book पे भी लिखा है, या तेलुगु मूवी. That was a love story, and ऐसा शादी करने के लिए मेरा ड्रीम था. So लव करने के, अच्छा वालों को देखने के, अच्छा होना ही पड़ेगा. मैंने it was 18 years only for me, and
So
always
what
I used
happened in that film which inspired you? क्या था उस फिल्म में जिससे आपको?
फिल्म में है कि वो बच्चा एंड बच्ची टू पुअर पीपल बट बहुत पैक करता था, बहुत जाके काम करता था, पैसे मंगाते, they earn good money and living happily. Though poor,
And they work very because they were working very hard.
working very hard, understand each other. Understanding is better than anything.
So you tried to commit suicide twice while also killing your children.
Yes, yeah. When I was taking the elder बच्ची को डालने के लिए, और दूसरा बच्ची cried, when heard that cry, and then immediately I ran to the other baby and
Pulled her out of water.
Yeah, not water. The top of this soil. She was there, and the other child and me, who, where I was going to डालने के लिए.
You were bury them alive.
Yeah. So the other girl who is on the floor, she was crying. So I ran to this girl and hold.
And then
both
your
of
mind
them.
changed.
Changed and decided that this is not the right thing that I was doing. And that day I
How
taken.
How did you try to commit suicide?
Because everyday fighting घर पे. So अत्तमा है, सासू बोलते हैं ना.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. When I talked that opposite to her, my husband, he didn't like that. Obviously.
Was there violence?
Kind of. Yeah. Sometimes रात उठता है ना, उसलिए घर पे, गांव पे, both are uneducated.
So then what did you do to make yourself educated?
एजुकेटेड पहले एक मौका आया था मेरे लाइफ में दैट अडल्ट एजुकेशन टीचर नाइट स्कूल पे बोलने के लिए नेहरू युवा केंद्र बोल के वो नाइट स्कूल एजुकेशन के लिए मौका दिया था. दैट्स 120 रुपीज़. दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट मनी फॉर मी इन द लाइफ. दैट फर्स्ट अर्निंग्स आई कैन यूज़ दैट मनी फॉर माई चिल्ड्रन. घर पे वो धान ही होता है बस्ता पे, बट वी शुड नॉट यूज़ फॉर आवर सेल्फ बिकॉज द आंट है, हस्बैंड ब्रदर भी है, उसका फैमिली भी है. एवरीवन हैज़ द राइट टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट द स्टोरेज.
राइट.
ओके. 1 किलो लेने के लिए राइट नहीं है मेरे पास.
राइट.
ओके. सो जॉइंट फैमिली था, बट ये 120 रुपीज़. Thus, and
Nehru Yuva Kendra.
Nehru Yuva Kendra. That's a night education teacher, where I worked in the paddy field with the labor. Right, I bring all the people in the night. I sat them. I used to teach them that letters and all. I passed 10th class ना, so वो signature का value बोलता था इसको.
बाकी सब लोग तो अंगूठा टेक.
Yeah, अंगूठी का था ना. Yeah. So मैंने बोलता था कि you have to signature and why signature value, and when your husband take the loan. Then you have to know that आपको मालूम होना पड़ेगा what is he going to do with your money. So अंगूठी नहीं लेना के सिग्नेचर करना बोल के वो तो अडल्ट एजुकेशन पे बोलता था. It was so good, and again they have given me that voluntary job, national service voluntary. That was only 1 year project actually. So after 1 साल के बाद और दूसरा साल पे वो प्रमोशन दे दिया. That's national service volunteer. That's 195 rupees.